In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate axis labels in Tableau. A lot of us work with data visualization in Tableau, and sometimes those axis labels can get a little cramped or just don't look quite right with the default settings. That's where learning how to rotate them can really help improve the readability and overall aesthetic of your data presentations. So, let's dive in and explore how to make those adjustments. First, we need to open the Tableau public app. If you haven't yet, download and install it. Once you have Tableau open, you'll want to access your worksheet. This is where all the magic happens. If you're starting from scratch, simply open a new worksheet. If you're working on an existing project, navigate to it, so we're on the same page. Now let's start building our visual by dragging order date into the columns. This helps us set our timeline. You'll notice you get a lot of date options, but to keep things clear and visually appealing, change the view to month. This simplifies the data into monthly increments, making it easier to spot trends across time. Next, drag sales to the rows. This sets up the foundation for our chart. Sales are typically one of the primary data metrics we want to track, so placing it here will show us the sales trends over the months. Once you've done that, it's time to fine-tune the layout. Double-click on the row area where it says sales. This is to ensure everything is just the way you want it. Typing sales again might seem redundant, but it's a good check to make sure our data label is appropriately set. After setting up your sales axis, you may want to remove or edit some of the default titles to keep your visualization clean. Go ahead and right-click on the sales axis on the left. You'll see a menu pop up with several options. From here, choose Edit Axis. This opens up the ability to remove or adjust the axis title. Removing unnecessary titles can reduce clutter and give your chart a sleeker look. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to rotate axis labels in Tableau to improve the clarity and appearance of your charts. This simple change can make a big difference when you're presenting data, helping your audience to better understand and interpret the information you're sharing. Practice this a few times to get comfortable, and soon it will become second nature in your data visualization toolkit. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to apply this tip in your next Tableau project to enhance your presentations.